Ito po yung products ng Dorper Ship na darating ngayong taon. Project ni Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr., yung Small Ruminants Program. And if you will notice, kawayan pa rin ang gamit sapagkat ito yung original na design na hiniling ni late Undersecretary D.V. Savillano, bamboo small ruminants housing. And dito sa area na to, dito i-breed yung 3,500 na quality Dorper sheep from Australia. This will actually become the biggest sheep breeding project all over the country. And ang mga anak ng mga karnero na yan ay ipapamahagi all over the country. Following the vision of Secretary Laurel na palakasin yung small ruminants para maalalayan yung ating hog and poultry industry na tinamaan ng ASF at saka bird flu. So, ang partner ng Department of Agriculture dito ay local cooperative, yung Colipa. And my role here is just a facilitator. I just presented the idea to Secretary Laurel. He approved it, and we identified a local cooperative na maging recipient ng project na to. And this is a big project. Malaking project ito. And I hope that we will succeed in breeding a lot of sheep. Remember, 3,500. So bawat products na ito, merong 500 na breeders. And of course, may corresponding ram na siyang gagamitin sa pagbreeding upang makapag-produce ng materyales na ipapamahagi natin sa mga farmers all over Cotabato, all over Mindanao, and soon all over the Philippines.